Are you struggling with translating accusative pronouns into German? Don't worry, we're here to help. In German, the accusative pronouns are mich, dich, ihn, sie, es, uns, euch, and sie. So, when you want to say he sees me in German, you would say sieht mich. If you want to say she loves you, it would be sie liebt dich.
Now listen, with 3 different voices.
Accusative pronoun me in German is mich.
Me in German is mich.
Me in German is Mitch.
Now discuss you. Accusative pronoun you in German is dich.
You in German is ditch.
You in German is ditch.
Now discuss him. Accusative pronoun him in German is in.
Him in German is in.
Him in German is in.
Now discuss her.
Accusative pronoun in her in German is sie.
Her in German is sie.
Her in German is sie.
Now discuss. It in German is s.
It in German is s.
It in German is es.
Now discuss us. Us in German is uns.
Us in German is uns.
Us in German is uns.
Now discuss. You plural. You in German is Yuka.
You in German is Yuka.
You in German is huge.
Now discuss. You formal. You formal in German is sie.
You formal in German is sie.
You formal closing parenthesis dot in German is sie.
Now discuss. Them. Them in German is sie.
Them in German is sie.
Them in German is sie.
Remember, in German, the accusative pronouns change depending on the gender and number of the noun they are replacing. So pay attention to that when translating. Practice using these accusative pronouns in sentences to become more familiar with them. It may seem challenging at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language tips and lessons. Bis zum nächsten Mal.